Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm going to go over just a quick little DIY here. Now, they make a bunch of different stuff to fix your headlights, but this car has seen better days for sure. The headlights are not in horrible condition, but if you're going to do this, I recommend doing it more often than not, so you don't end up with this little bit of a haze here. And we're going to clean this up without having to go and buy one of those kits, because a lot of people already have in their garage, especially if you're any sort of detailing DIY stuff, is this polish. All I use is this stuff. It'll clear up the not so yellow hazy mess that comes on headlights over time. Like I said, this one is not horrible, but all you gotta do, shake this stuff up, put a little bit on a microfiber cloth, and just give it a rub. It's not gonna leave any scratches or nothing. It's a polish, and yes, they do make kits, but instead of having to go and buy a kit, if you already have this in your garage, just hit it once in a while. It'll clean it up, make it last longer. But if they're really bad and you're watching this video, make sure you go and pick up one of the proper kits, because you can actually wet sand these down a bit and re-clear coat them. But what this will do is just get a little bit of that ugliness off of there, because we did just put some LED headlights on here, so we want them to shine bright without having to go through some gunk. So just squirt a good amount on here. Don't be skimping out on it. Put it on your rig. Come down to your light. Just dab it. Get it all on there. Zoom you out a little bit so you can see better. Just put it on there, especially on the worst spots. And then, like anything that you're trying to polish, put a little elbow grease in. And you can kind of feel it. It'll go smooth. And that's just getting the top layer that's starting to go off. And it's not going to make your headlight look more hazy. It's going to help. Again, not like wet sanding, but if it's a quick little DIY, you just want to fix it up, make it look good for something, it's easy to do. And then, just like anything you're polishing, once it's all rubbed in, flip your rag over, just wipe it off, and you can see she looks not brand new, but it does get that little haze off. There's a little more up here. I might hit another spot, but you can see down here it's definitely working. So again, I might just hit it up top one more time, scrub it back and forth, polish it up, and she should look good as new. And then up here as well, a little bit on the top there, easier to see on the orange. So we'll get a little bit more on there. And there you go, second round, a little bit better, still hazy. Like I said, this is not 100% like you're wet sanding it. It just cleans it up a bit, gets a little more off there than a rag and some soap. And you can really see it on the orange here. Cleaned it up nicely up there. So that's all you got to do. Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. You don't need to use this necessarily, but it works like a hot damn for everything. So pick it up, or if you got some in your garage, give it a shot, see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.